Hello lovelies, welcome to Sunshine Yummy Treats. In this video I'll be showing you how to make coated peanut burger with coconut milk and how you can achieve a smooth and round coated peanut. So if you don't know how, or you've been struggling on achieving a smooth round result, this video is for you. So let's dive in. So here I have 3 cups of raw groundnuts, 500 grams of flour, which is 4 cups of flour. Next is the coconut milk, and I'm using 1.5 cups of that. 1/3 cup of sugar. I have my cinnamon, coconut flavor, vanilla flavor, and 1 egg. So we are going to start off by making our liquid mixture for the coating. Add the sugar into the coconut milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and 1/2 teaspoon of the coconut flavor. Add in the egg into it. You can whisk before adding or whichever, but make sure the egg is fresh. It's very important. Mix very well to make sure the sugar is well dissolved, then set this aside. Now let's mix our dry ingredients for the coating. I'll be using 1/2 teaspoon each of cinnamon powder and salt, and I'm going to mix this together. Just make sure that the ingredients are well incorporated together. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is Sunshine Yummy Treats. I share simple, healthy and amazing recipes. Staying with me here is totally free. So please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification to get notified whenever there is a new upload. So now I'm going to transfer the groundnuts into the bowl for the coating to begin. So first I'll be drizzling in little amounts of the liquid mixture, then mix very well to combine before going in with the dry ingredients. Then mix by shaking the bowl in a circular motion. This enables the groundnut to coat well and have that smooth and round shape. So if you have stayed with me to this point and still not subscribed, please do me that favor by subscribing and turn on the notifications so you'll be the first to see my videos. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I see your likes, the comments and the shares. I really appreciate. Please keep up so I can be encouraged to do more. So I'll keep repeating the process until the wet and dry ingredients are all exhausted. So normally as you mix, some of them will stick together. All you have to do is separate with your hands and continue mixing. It's easier to coat with a bowl that has cover. That way the peanut is secured without falling out, and it also enables you to shake the bowl very well in order to achieve that smooth and round shape. Energy is needed in making peanut burger, especially when you are coating manually. I made a video on how to make commercial coated peanut burger using the coating machine. I'll be dropping the video link in the description so you can check it out. You can see the coated peanut is coming out fine. So now I'll be going in with the last round of wet and dry ingredients and coat for the last time. Now we are done coating. You can see the coated peanut is neat, round and smooth. Even the bowl beneath the bowl is neat. That's to show you that the groundnut is perfectly coated. No excess flour to sieve out, and that is the best. Over here I have my oil already heating up. Make sure the oil is not too hot. It has to be on medium so the peanuts can fry properly. Make sure you don't overcrowd the oil, because if you do, you end up having soaked peanut butter. I added in few slices of onions to add flavor to it, and also turn at regular interval in order to have an evenly fried peanut butter. When it turns golden brown, you know it's ready. Once it's golden brown, you scoop out of the oil into a sieve or a tray lined with paper towel and allow to cool off completely. So here is our coconut milk coated peanut butter. It came out really nice, crunchy and tasty. You can make this for your kids at home, for your family and friends. It also has lots of health benefits. You should try this. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for my next video.